Howdy! Welcome to our Creating an Exam in eCampus using the Test Tool series. In this video, we will go over using the multiple choice question type. If you haven't already, please watch our first video on building a test so that we can be able to build our questions. Once we're in our test canvas, we can actually click on the Create Question button. From there, we will scroll down and select the multiple choice. After that, we will be able to add our question text. I already have my question text on a Word document. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste. I'll do some light editing. After I've added my question text, I will make sure to include any directions I would like to give the students. From there, I can actually go into my options section. When it comes to the options, you may choose to change how some of these questions are displayed to you. For example, after you've added your question text, we can now choose if we have any specific options we want to apply. For example, we can select if we want the answer numbering to be different, such as with Arabic numbers, Roman numerals, uppercase numbers, uppercase letters, or lowercase letters. We can choose how we want the answer orientation to display, either vertical or horizontal. We can allow for partial credit, and we can also show answers in random order. As a note, you may want to make sure this is turned off if you have answer choices that are like all of the above, none of the above, A, B, but not C, any of those types of answer choices, just because then the random order is going to throw everything off in the way it's displayed to students. After I do that, I can scroll down and go to my answers. This is where I will put any text for my answer choices. By default, I'm given 4 number of answers. I can actually click on this drop down and select the drop down for the appropriate number if I wanted to have more answer choices. I would then be able to include my answers. I'm going to copy the individual answers and put them in the answer text box from my pre-created area. After I've done this, I will select the correct answer. So to select the correct answer, I will identify it by clicking on the radio button right next to the answer choice that it applies to. So since the first one is the correct answer choice, I would leave that there. Now I can choose to include and display feedback to my students. This correct response feedback and incorrect response feedback will display to my students after they have submitted their exam. So I can include any text I would like for the correct response feedback. So yes, that is correct. Or incorrect feedback as no, that is incorrect. Please refer to ai.tamu.edu for more information. An example of information you would include in the incorrect response feedback is reference points that include the actual correct answer. After I've included all this information, I can choose to submit and create another, which will actually create another multiple choice question type. Or I can choose to submit and it will take me back into my test canvas, which will then allow me to choose any different type of question type. I will go ahead and click submit, and now I'm taken back to my test canvas. Now I can view my multiple choice question that I added. Thank you for watching this video as a part of our Creating an Exam in eCampus using the Test Tool series. For more information and resources for teaching online, please visit keepteaching.tamu.edu. If you have any questions regarding creating exams or anything else related to eCampus, please contact the Office for Academic Innovation by emailing us at aihelp@tamu.edu or give us a call at 979-458-3417. Thanks and gig 'em.